That's pretty good. I mean, I don't see any damage.
Well, we got to take it all off. I got another one here if you need it.
Fill this back around.
Over the top. Oh, that's totally. Oh, yeah. Good, ain't it?
Oh,
Move this here.
and
Nice. So we're gonna keep it.
don't forget to open up the refrigerator.
All right, we're gonna open it up. Y'all ready? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Looks like it's a deal, doesn't it?
Restaurant quality too.
Yeah. Move this bracket before using. All right. Here's the keys.
Oh yeah, you can lock it up too. That's awesome.
Yeah. Well, for right now, we're going to keep it out here. We'll probably end up closing some of this. Keep it in there for the bugs. You don't want your bugs all up in
No, no.
stink bugs and who knows what.
Looks okay though.
I'm not seeing anything. You see anything bad?
No, I don't see anything.
No. Like it's still got.
Praise
this
the
here.
Lord.
It's still got this cover here on it. See that?
Yeah.
It's got
Oh,
like a.
Yeah, and most times they come with protective film on them.
Yep.
oh, and all that comes off too, I
Yep.
imagine.
Yep. All that comes up. Well, I think we did well.
Considering what we had to work with.
Yes, sir. I need another good piece of cardboard. That's a good one when you're working on golf.
I take it, but I'm not supposed to.
What's that?
The wood that was attached.
Oh, that's fine. I get